So welcome to today's tutorial. Of course, it's the helped one here, and I'm super excited to have you in today's class with me. So in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to achieve this amazing birthday flyer design using just your smartphone. So make sure you watch this video to the end. We'll be doing the design and we'll also edit it to make our design to pop very well. Of course, we're making use of our Pixellab. So let's get started. So you're going to open your Pixellab. So when you open your Pixellab, this is the default of your Pixellab. Okay. I have a video where I explain everything about Pixellab interface, the icons, everything about Pixellab. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. Okay. It will be very important to you. If you're in my class, check the link in the class group. Yes, complete introduction to Pixellab is going to help you very well to understand everything about Pixellab. So let's continue. So this flyer we'll be doing today, we'll be making use of the standard size in Pixellab. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on this A icon here. Click on delete and delete this new text. Then I'm going to click on this background icon. That is the last icon here, or second to the last icon at that damn part. Okay. Then I'm going to click on color. Click on color on the top. Scroll by the right. I will select white. Then mark this good sign. The next I'm going to do is to click on this center icon here. Click on import. Okay, so I want to bring in this design. So we'll be looking at it and be very fast. Okay, this is the reason we want to recreate. So as you're watching this video, pay close attention. Okay, and if you're submitting your assignment in the class group, let it be exactly the same thing. Okay, just pay close attention so you get everything about this design. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on import again. Click on this icon. I'm going to click on browse. Then I'm going to locate where the materials I want to use for this design. It will be in my YouTube designs. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to bring in this stuff here. So I'm going to crop it down to this part. Okay, yes, then mark this good sign. So this is what I have. I'm just going to increase it, then bring it down here. Okay, good. The next I'm going to do now, pay close attention to what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on shape. Now still on that shape, I'm going to increase the radius to 5, maybe let's say to 7. Okay, then I'm going to reduce it a bit from here, then position it here. Mark this good sign. Follow me. I will scroll by the right. So still selecting this shape, we're going to scroll by the right. Go to texture, pay attention, then click here. So I'm going to locate the picture that we'll be using for this birthday design. So this is the picture I want us to use. This is actually a fictional flyer, so I don't know this lady and I don't know her name. So I'm just using this for teaching purposes only. Okay, so I'm going to crop out this part a bit, crop out this up part. Now she's facing the other side. I want her to face to my left. So I'm just going to click on this icon and look at it. This first icon at this down part. Good. When you click it, it will rotate this picture like this. Perfect. Then you mark this good sign. Hope you are seeing it. We have this picture inside this particular shape now. Sometimes you may actually click this and this picture will appear twice inside. What you're going to do is to go back to that texture. Okay, if your picture is appearing twice, go back to that texture and from scale increase it. Okay, from scale increase it and it will go off. So mark this good sign. Still on that same shape, I'm going to scroll by the right and go to stroke, enable stroke. Then the stroke width, I'm going to increase it to 5. Then I'm going to choose the color I want to use for the stroke color. Still on this same place, I'm going to click on this plus icon here. Follow me now. Then I'm going to click on this speaker. Look at it. Look at the top part of this place. You will see 2 icons by the right. I'm going to choose the first one that have a point at the mouth. Okay, so click on it. So you will see these elements that we have actually imported or used in our design. So I'm going to click on this particular one. Hope you are seeing it. This one we cropped out. Then from here, I can select any color I want to use for the stroke color. Okay, so I'm going to select this. Let's see. Okay, mark this good sign. Click OK. Mark this sign. Hope you are seeing it. Are you seeing the stroke color we have there? You can decide to increase your stroke more because we have 5 here. We can say let's do it 7. Hope you are seeing it. Perfect. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on shape again. Still on this same place, don't move out. Increase the radius to 7 like we did the first one. Then come down to opacity. Take it to 0. Go down again. Come down to the stroke width. Increase it. Let's make use of let's leave it at 10 or maybe 8. Let's say 10. Let's do 10. Good. Still on that same place, we'll select this color. Hope you are seeing it. This color. Good. Then mark this good sign. Then bring it here and position it well. My God. Hope you are seeing it. This is beautiful. Good. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on shape again. Okay. In radius, I will just leave this one at 4. Then go down to opacity and reduce the opacity just a bit, not too much. Let's leave it at 90. Okay, good. Then I'm going to select the color I want to use for this. I'm going to scroll by the right. Okay, go down, go down. I'm going to use this particular yellow color here. It's in everybody's Pixellab. Just scroll by the right, you see it. Then I'll mark this good sign. So this is what I have here. Okay. So I'm going to bring this here. Let me reduce it a bit more. Okay, bring this here. So I'm going to position this here. Okay. Then I'm going to copy it. Pay close attention so you get everything I'm doing. Then I'm going to bring it down here. This is very simple. So if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, now I know you have gained value already. So go ahead and subscribe, share this video, comment and like so that others will also get to see this video and learn from it. Good. If you're in my class, go ahead and invite your friends to join us in this class. Okay. So let's go on. Let's go on. Let's go on. Okay. This is where we are now. Now, looking at this, I want to bring down this everything you are seeing here, both the picture, the shape. I want to bring them down so I can be able to write my date and then happy birthday. Now, for me to start moving these things one by one, it's going to take time. It's going to be stressful, and it may make my design not to be well aligned as it's supposed to be. So what am I going to do? I'm going to show you how we can move all your elements together. Now, follow me. Let's go. I'm going to click on this icon below the 3 dots here. Pay attention. Then I'm going to click on this icon I'm seeing here with good and bad icon or sign. So I'm going to click on it. Then select everything I want to move. Okay. So these are the things I want to move. Then I'm going to click on this second icon. After the delete icon, the second icon, then I'm going to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 icons. I'm going to click on the 4th one here. That's the position icon. Then I can bring up. You're seeing it. All of them are moving down at the same time, still maintaining the position of everything. Okay. So this position is very perfect for me. I'm going to mark this good sign. Click on this same icon below the 3 dots and then go back. Perfect. The next thing I'm going to do now is to lock all these elements to avoid them moving. Click on that same icon below the 3 dots and click on this padlock icon. All of them will be locked. They cannot be able to move again because when they are moving, they will be interrupting you from your work and the rest. So after locking it, click on that same icon below the 3 dots and go back. Hope you are getting what I'm saying. Good. Now, the next thing I'm going to do now is to actually, okay, I'm going to click on shape. Maybe let me click on shape. I'm going to bring this like this, reduce this, okay. I'm going to position it here. I'm going to go down, go to color. Now, if you don't want to choose the color from here, you can just mark this good sign, scroll by the right, go to color here and enable color. When you enable the color, it will show red. Okay, if you don't want to use red, just go down. You can select the color from here. Hope you are seeing it. If you like this particular color, you can use it. If you don't like it, I can decide to choose another color from that same background that we imported, from that same shape we imported the first. But I think for the purpose of this video, we can just go ahead and stick with this particular color. I think it's okay. If you look at the one I'm using, that's not the color I actually used, okay? So you can decide to change it. You can decide to stick with it. Okay, good. Let's continue. Now, the next I'm going to do now is to type in the text. So I'm going to click on my A icon, click on text, click on edit. So I'm going to type in happy birthday. So when we type in this happy birthday, pay close attention and see what I'm going to do now. Oh, meanwhile, there is no space for us actually to put this happy birthday. So I'm still going to move down all these things together again. Okay. So these things, as you are designing, you are looking at what you are designing and you are adjusting. Let me show you again how to do it. Click on this icon below the three dots. Click here. Select everything you want to move down. Okay. Click here. Click on this fourth icon and move them. Okay. Mark this good sign. Click on that same icon below the three dots. Unlock it. I can decide to reduce this one a bit more and move it up. Then bring our happy birthday here. Good. Then watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll by the right, go to font, go to color, and I'm going to select black. The default color in your Pixellab is not black. Okay, so I'm going to select black from here. Mark this good sign. Follow me and see the next I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll by the right and click on font. Now it is very, very important you pay attention to the kind of font you are using in your design, because it can actually make your design look good or it can make it look bad. So pay very much close attention to it. Now, if you just installed your Pixellab, this is the only font you'll be seeing there. That is this font, the default font that comes with your Pixellab. But if you have used Pixellab for long and you have installed font into it, when you click on this my font, you will see a lot of fonts here. You see many of them. So you can also check my YouTube channel. I have a video where I explain how to import font into your Pixellab. If you're in my class, I will still be teaching that. Okay, but you can as well go to my YouTube channel and check out the video and learn how to do that. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I will just be using the font that is just actually came in with my Pixellab when I installed it. Okay, so I'm going to go down. Let me look for a good font that will actually give me what I want. Okay. Try to get a good font, very, very important though. I think this is good. I'm using this Grand Hotel Regular. It's in everybody's phone, so you see it. I'm going to click OK. That's good. I'm going to position it well. Okay, I'm going to go to position and then move it up a bit. Move it at the center of that shape. Okay, we can decide to move it up a bit. Okay, perfect. This is good. So this place now is to put in the birthday wish, and this place is actually to put in the name of the person. Like I said, this is just for a teaching purpose only. Okay, so before that, I'm going to click on this center icon, click on shape, drag this radius to the end. I will get a circle. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce it, mark this good sign. I will go to color, enable color, then I'm going to choose this blue color. Okay, mark this good sign. Let me increase this more. I'll go to relative size and increase it more. Good. Then go to position and move this up like this. You see the way I arranged my own? I'm going to put it at the apex of that shape. Okay, so I'm going to copy it now. Click on position, increase the speed of this position. Then I will click on this down arrow here. Okay, so that's why it's important you watch that introduction to Pixellab, because I explained all these things there. I'm going to mark this good sign. I'm going to copy again. So I'm going to click on position, increase the speed, then click on this down part. Okay, if I want to move it to the right, I will click on the right side. If I want to move it up, I will click on the up part. Okay, so that's basically does that. So I'm going to bring this one down here. Perfect. We are almost done. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to put in the lady's name. I'm going to click on my AI icon, click on text, click on edit. I'm going to, I think I put the Obidi Joy. Like I said, this is just a fictional flyer for teaching purpose only. I just saw the lady's picture. She's looking so beautiful, so I decided to use it. Okay, so that's just it. I'm going to click on color, scroll by the right, select black, mark this good sign. Scroll by the right again, go to font. So you're going to select the font we'll be using for that. Let's check out a good font. That's very, very important. So I'm going to be using these days. That's what I'm going to use. I'll click on my okay, then reduce this more, then bring it here. Hope you are seeing it. Make sure that that joy bead is at the center. It's at the center of this shape, this yellow shape that is down here. Okay, perfect. So the next thing we're going to do now is to type in our birthday wish, depending on the one you want. You can decide to copy this joy, joy. Click on edit and type in your birthday wish. Okay, may the Lord bless and increase you in this new season of your life. Okay, that's just it. It's okay. So I'm going to reduce it. If you want to reduce, just use this small icon here. You can reduce, or you can go to relative size. You can go to size and increase it or reduce it from here. Okay, so I'm going to drag this like this. Want it to go like this. Perfect. Hope you are seeing it. Now you can decide to use center alignment for this. To center align it, scroll by the right. Go to align and select this center alignment. Then use your hand and position it well the way you want it to be. Mark this good sign. We are almost done. The next thing is to bring in that dot at the extreme. Click on text, click on edit, delete this new text, click on your 1, 2, 3 icon here. Then click on this equal to sign. Then you see this dot. That's actually where I got it. Okay. Then drop down, locate it again and put it. Okay. Drop down again. Okay. This is what we have here. I'm going to click OK. Now when you take a look at this, the space between them is so much, and we can't just put this like this. It will not look good in your design. What are we going to do? Scroll by the right. First of all, let me choose the color. I will go to color and we are using black. Mark this good sign. So how do we reduce those space between them? I will scroll by the right and go to line spacing. Look at it. Then reduce it. Look, I hope you are seeing it. Hope you are seeing it. Perfect. -40. That's okay. So I'm just going to bring it down here. Finally, okay, if you are doing this maybe for your fellowship or maybe an organization, you can just go ahead and put in the organization name there. Like you can see in my own, I actually wrote the Apt One Concept Graphic Design Community. Okay, if you want to use it to celebrate someone in your organization, you can decide to use this as a template for celebration of the birthday of any of your staff. Okay, yes, it will also make them feel that they belong somewhere, and it's important too. Okay, so to do in the last, I'm going to bring in that yellow that blue stuff there. So click on import. I'm going to click on my browse. Let me locate where the store. This is it here. So I'm going to bring it in, rotate it. Just don't want it to be too obvious. Don't just go and use it and scatter your design. No, just let everything be done in moderate. That's what I'm saying now. Yes, so I'm going to position this here. Don't let any edges. So as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that no sharp edge in this thing is showing. If you design anything and we are seeing sharp edges, it's making your work look too childish and it's not professional. So this is what we have here. So I'm going to copy this joy obede lastly, and then we'll write the date. Okay, so we have 5th June. Okay, we have 5th June. So I'm going to bring this in here. Okay, let's reduce it from relative size. I'm going to reduce it. Okay, then use my position and position it at the center of that same particular shape. You'll say, okay, if you make any mistake, I want to go back, just click on this icon here, this icon that is curved. Okay, so let's increase it more. Okay, then position it well. Good, we're almost done. So we're going to edit it now. So with this, we are actually done. If you want to put in any name up there, you can just go ahead and do that on your own. So let me remove this one here. So this is the normal design now. Let's save it. then we edit it. Please follow me to the end. That editing is very, very important for your design. If your design will stand out, then you have to learn how to edit your designs. So to save your work, click on this memory card icon here. First of all, save as project. Yes, when you save as project, it helps you to make any corrections in case you want to make any corrections in your design. Then after that, type in the name you want to use and click OK. Then click on that same place, click on image, then click on this default. I like using ultra. You can use custom, you can use very high, depending on the one you want to use. But don't use default, it reduces the quality of your design. Okay, so I'm going to select ultra, then click on save to gallery. Now for us to edit this design, we're making use of this app called Snapseed. So we're making use of Snapseed. This is it here. So I'm going to open it. Sorry, this is a design I actually did before. So I'm going to open it, then bring in this design we just finished now. So this is it here. Okay, this is it here. Now, for us to edit this, pay close attention. I'm going to click on, I actually have up to 3 different apps I use for my editing. I use Snapseed, I use Pixellab, and I use Lightroom. Yes, so if you want to learn more about editing your pictures and making it to be industry standard designs, yes, you can enroll for my graphic design masterclass. Okay, we'll talk more about that later. If you want to know more, hit my DM later. For this, let's continue. So I'm going to click on choose. I'm going to click on details. Okay, I'm going to increase this structure like this. Pay close attention. Okay, I have now there's no specific formula for this editing. It's depending on your design. Okay, let's see this structure. Let's leave it at 30. Perfect. Then the sharpening, can increase it to, let's say, maybe 50. Perfect. This is good. There are other places you can actually continue to edit this design, but for purpose of this video, we'll just be stopping here for today. So to go ahead and save your work, click on export, click on save, and then your work is saved to your gallery. If you have gained value in this class, let me hear it. Subscribe if you're watching from YouTube channel, and then like, share, and of course comment. I will see you in my next video. Bye.